Today I'm trapping my brother in a mystery button box.
Cockroaches.
There is one escape and the rest are all punishments.
Escape. Run around the yard 3 times, then have a ice cold bucket dumped on your head.
Well, I got all wet from an ice cold bucket dump, so I guess I'll just push another one.
Ice cold water.
Seriously? Well, another ice cold bucket dump, so there we go. Smile. Ah! It's so cold! Let's press another button.
Make a trick shot to move on.
Well, apparently I gotta make a trick shot to move on, so. Wait, what happens if I miss?
Then you can't move on.
Good.
You're stuck in there forever.
No.
Alright, here's your duck.
How am I supposed to do this?
Hold up.
How are you gonna see me?
Oh!
Kobe. Kobe. Woohoo!
Nope.
Can't reach that.
Nope.
Okay. Yes, I am. And we're back. Okay. We're gonna press the snaky green one.
Get shot by a bunch of Nerf guns.
Get shot by a Nerf gun. This is actually not the best one. I hope I can get out soon. Otherwise, I'm gonna be going crazy. They got 3 shots. Was the most powerful. Ow! These things hurt so bad. It's those little tiny pistons. Ow! That one stung. It's like a rifle. Ow! That hurt so bad. Okay, we're gonna press our next one. I really hope this is not something dumb.
Spoonful of ketchup.
Spoonful of ketchup. What do you know? Yeah, that's a lot of ketchup. Bro, look at all that ketchup. Looks like blood. At least it's not cold. If you go to our Candyland video, they had ice chunks in theirs. You know, I like ketchup. No problem. Ketchup is horrible.
Get shot by rubber bands.
Get shot by rubber bands. Ow!
You're shooting yourself. No! Stop!
What?
Shoot yourself.
How do you shoot yourself?
I don't know, figure it out.
Ow.
In the face.
No. That would hurt.
Shoot yourself in the face. You're
No.
not doing it.
Ow!
Yeah.
This is gonna hurt. Ow!
What's that was acting?
Ow! You hit my finger. We're gonna piss the green one.
Cockroaches.
Cockroaches.
Cockroaches!
100 cockroaches! Oh! Oh, they're everywhere!
Your punishment is cleaning them all up.
It's gonna take
by yourself.
Forever. I know for a fact that there's 100 of them.
Probably.
We're back! Okay. this one is. There's a white one down here.
Let the dogs lick your face for 10 seconds.
Well, I have to let dogs lick my face for 10 seconds, so.
I'll go get a dog.
We're grabbing a dog. Yeah. Bark, 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 bark. Okay, come here. I'm sorry I'm wet.
Now you gotta let her lick your face for 10 seconds.
You're not licking. Lick my face. I'll just hold her for 10 seconds.
No! It's a punishment, not a punishment.
No, this is a punishment.
No, you gotta try to make her lick your face. Put ketchup all over your face, make her lick it.
No!
Put it on your nose.
I fell.
Alright, let her.
Bye-bye.
Give me the ketchup.
That was disgusting.
Oh. Good enough, I guess. That didn't work.
Ugh. Okay, back to what I was doing.
Go ahead. Stop.
I feel like the blue one's just suspicious.
It's impressive.
It's in the middle, no. The middle ones always are bad. I'm leaning towards the red over this.
Metal detect until you find something.
Well, it looks like I'll take until I found something. It's actually not that bad. We got a lot of screws and bolts here, so let's find a screw and bolt. So, let's go.
That was
I found
fast.
something. Oh, this might be too hard ground to even dig this thing up. You ever want to know how to cut out a chunk of grass? You do a cube, and then you just scoop it out. Just like that. And then, down the hole. This is like the hardest ground ever. Woo! I might need to dig a different spot. It's so hard. Bingo! Trash.
Trash. Is that even metal?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it kind of looks like a can.
Woo!
He completed the challenge in like 2 minutes.
We have a lot of things at our house. By the way, you see this?
No.
Don't litter.
No. All right, take that back out.
No.
Get that out.
Why?
Because we're putting it in the trash. Take it out.
Why?
Because we're not littering.
It's not litter.
Take it out.
It was here before us.
Put it back. And go throw it in the trash.
By the way, never go for the middle ones. They're always a trick. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Escape!
I escaped. Let's go! Woo! Well, see you later.
You can escape.
Oh,
The only one you missed was a spoonful of mustard.
I'm glad I missed that.